will your future self thank you? The habits and activities you do today will make or break you. Ano ba yung ginagawa mo ngayon sa pang-araw-araw? Do you just mindlessly scroll in social media, sa TikTok, hanggat sa inumaga na at hindi mo na nagawa yung kailangan mong gawin, yung trabaho mo or yung dreams and goals mo? You need to remember, time will just move on whether we do something or not. So napaka-importante is be deliberate with our day. Huwag mong hayaan na basta lang lumipas. Kahit gaano ka busy or yung sa work, try to carve time for your dreams, for your goals, especially something that would lead sa mga pangarap mo. Hindi magiging madali yan, but I'm sure the journey will be worth it and your future self will thank you.